Okay, I'm a winner every day. All of us now winner, and on top of the whole level, we go they win, they go. Because now only God, now only God will carry you go the level where He's supposed to carry you go. Not by your power, not by your might, not by your strength, and just by the grace of Baba God there. All right, we sit there on top of the late night show, and I think I'm a guy in the building. But right now, we won't carry the second guest, another craze, another full craze, enter into the building. Ladies and gentlemen, I better help me make welcome the funny character, OpenTeeth. Hey, OpenTeeth. Oh, blagger. Hey, Joy.
Oh, the Bella don't allow me that. The Bella don't allow me that.
I got the weed.
I did that.
Brotherly. Sit down, sit down. Sit yourself down. Feel free.
Wait,
lie down.
You know, say, no vessel. And your program. But me, I start.
No problem.
You know why they happy?
Wait till they happy you.
When I enter here, see package.
True.
I think say na English we go speak.
Based on the packaging.
My heart first do. I bring them back. Say wait.
Never run.
Wait, me will ask.
We'll ask questions.
Because the person where they do presenter, I know him.
Not be saying go
be speak English here. Myself, I feel speak.
So that motivation for you. So it's the inspiration of the motivation of every. So basically,
when I can ask, I say, how far? How do they relate?
Context.
Say, oh boy, now freestyle, now broke. I say broken. Because he has my spirit.
It's just a leap.
Just enter.
So for your man, I want to thank you in the next one. Just falling.
Praise God.
So they put pillow here.
I feel free.
When I don't go to say person, don't sabi.
Form comfortable.
If you sit down, you go.
Pillow.
You go.
Not before this.
Okay, so now your white is avoid to stay now. I say wait because you know black you wear now. So don't feel free.
Maybe I say na throw pillow.
That throw pillow.
You get where I go, you should go through.
They spoil my set for you. What's wrong with you? What's wrong? Only say what's wrong about you? OpenTeeth. What up? Now this na Igbo boy you. Igbo boy we love for Yoruba. You don't enter Yoruba.
Even the Igbo are not sabi speaker.
You just lost finish.
But how you want to sabi speak Igbo when you dey Lagos? When they go ask you, they will want to give you events. You know, say that Yoruba people, they like party.
Yeah, steady.
And I like them as a like party. They go, they like and they go.
Amen.
Because if not, my brother, how you for be?
Osusu. The Osusu.
So, although I go primary school for Lagos, I go secondary school, my tertiary too. Now, even na Yoruba University.
Private, public.
You say?
Na private, I've been a public.
No, na private in a public environment.
They pray me no go born public children.
Because guys say they relate to public things, you're going to deliver public children.
They call you for events. Wait till they will first ask you the hello. Check by your basha because we can maso your banyo. I want guests to Atumbo, Abekutanyo, Ati Kidinio, or Fake Boyo Bakama Fio Bakidiko. They call one of my friends like that.
Naibu.
The guy na Niger Delta guy. You go know I'm nothing to me. The guy don't understand why Yoruba. Now this lady the lady one time.
Okay.
As a fan.
The lady one time for your wedding. But in parents they come they disturb say she boy and she Yoruba sha. She understand because I want clinical. Now he can call nothing to me. Hello. Nothing to me. How are you? So I said, please, they said they want Yoruba. Do you understand Yoruba? Nothing to me. We don't know how much you want charge. He said, if not Yoruba, you understand now. Now the lady tell him, oh yeah, speak, make I know whether you understand. He said, Kasha mache dada. Agbabire. He just said, it's okay. Use it. Just use it.
For the lady, now they also
so if the guy they perform on stage, ladies and gentlemen, you know.
And you know one fun thing about Yoruba can exaggerate things anyhow. I did drive one day. Now, so for my mind, I don't lost. I just asked one woman, I said, my Joe, I'm going to Ajele Street. He said, Ajele Street. For my mind, I don't lost. Ajele Street, oh, let the one pariwo.
And if they won't describe, one woman, therefore, Allen, now Romire, be the person we want describe to.
Okay.
Now he carry phone. Hello. Ibolawa. ẹ ti ṣí ẹ kúrò mẹ́ ó yá ibẹ̀lẹ̀ wá ó yá ẹ sún sí na drive you dey drive o ó yá sún sí ṣé ti wá òkè ẹ torí àwọn last man ó yá ẹ máa bọ̀ báyẹn àwọn olówó wo ó yá ẹ bá wá dé alẹ́ roundabout ẹ jẹ́ ìṣàlàyé fún yín he won't describe ẹ jẹ́ tẹ́ bá ti dá alẹ́ roundabout ẹ wá tọ́nu alẹ́ roundabout tẹ́ bá ti tọ́nu alẹ́ roundabout ẹ wá wọ àwọn olówó ibẹ̀ yẹn ni ṣó ti yé yín you don't understand.
I just asked Ajele just now about the whole Davido issue. But me, I want to talk now from the babe point of view. Because get I talk just now when they do the cocoa of the day. Say, now the woman now supposed to ask of this torchlighting thing. Not be the man because they come back on the yarn say giddy, say sabi. How you reason that particular gist? From the woman side now, what I just talk just now.
Oh, from the woman side.
What do you feel? Say, no, now the woman was supposed to ask. I mean, the man was supposed to ask for this reason.
Now the woman was supposed to ask because I dey imagine the reaction of the ladies them when you don't. I be how na they talk. The ladies the way like my friend the way would they talk am. I say, oh boy, I chop one plate too.
Before you marry that year, before you born again.
Actually, for those of you who don't know, OpenTeeth don't marry. OpenTeeth don't marry. He's a married man now.
I'm also married.
Living single. But living single.
I'm married
I but you don't marry, but he's just married to Jesus. So you Satan.
I'm hooked there. I'm hooked there. But seriously, marriage now. When we will leave that relationship, marriage. We'll cut it. But since boys they poof now. I know you just understand what I say.
No.
You never marry now. You don't marry, but you dey poof join.
My own belle, no be marriage o.
Now waiting.
Now one event where I get.
He said it's not pure just now before you enter show.
My brother.
You're now waiting.
Now nurture, I nurture this belle. I dey train am to big. You can't be like say when you buy dog. You can't dey train dog. Now so I nurture am. Now one event too, they ask me.
Okay.
So we hope you are big. You are because we have big clients, big guests. How big?
Now I've been nurturing for the thing now.
How big? Big clients say people like Dangote. So you too, you need to come out big. My brother, now I begin to nurture the
just to flow with the ministry. All right, ladies and gentlemen, quickly. Yesterday we launched the word of the day. The word of the day, now be the one we'll drop something for pidgin English. Okay? We'll come say, okay, make we go outside, make people translate them into English. You understand? Yeah. So, but before we go for that thing, the word of the day yesterday, now the pami, the shark. The pami, the shark. Okay. I'm going to translate that for English. Make I start with you.
The palm wine is alcoholic.
The palm wine is alcoholic. The palm wine is alcoholic. OpenTeeth, what do you feel?
The palm wine is intoxicating.
It's
wait now.
No,
wait. The one way. Talk your.
Wait till they vest me pass.
Yes.
Wait till they vest me now.
Yeah.
I bet I want talking just talks.
Why you go talking? Wait till you want talk now. You have to find another word for that intoxicating.
But why you go use my word?
Oh yeah, sorry. Oh, yeah, you said talking. Just talking.
Which one? For English or for broken?
Not be Yoruba. Don't go speak Yoruba.
Because
the palm wine.
I don't ask. Say this show. Say we go speak English. And you say na broken. Wait till you call the taster at the end.
Convert that to English. Don't make us all come say we not go school.
I don't understand though. Yeah. Don't be about school. You go let us know.
No, he go school.
I don't say go school.
Only for 9 years. I never graduate.
For 9 years,
last week.
Last white.
Part time to be precise.
Oh, blood.
Oh, well, every year we do matric. Last week is sue me. Anything about last week.
Mono even go there. Because
even sue, I don't chop it.
All right, we'll leave put it back. We'll go watch the video. Don't ask different people for outside there. Make them translate everything to inside English on top. Waiting they feel say the pami, the shark be for English. So we'll watch the video sharp. So
the pami in English. I don't know how to put this.
This shekpe. This shekpe too. Talk now. Put the drink. This shekpe too shark.
This pami the shark.
This palm wine is too shark. This palm wine is alcoholic.
Palm wine. I feel palm wine. Shekpe come out from palm wine.
The palm wine is tough.
The palm wine is tough. The palm wine is tough. That's
I don't see a person
palm wine
drink.
is
I don't
powerful.
see a person drink palm wine before. Don't hide. Don't waka. Another time I tell you, say, Yorubas, don't be say we dey always face that we always ready for anything. True. Just match. Imagine say you be the second Yoruba man now. As a match up, pa! You know say they always react.
yes.
Pa!
Wah! Oh, rerun.
Oh, Lord, be the gboro. Hear me?
Kaile.
Yeah!
Mo gbé.
Ọlọ́run jẹ́ o. Mo ń jáde. So yeah.
They won't fight with her.
Only so. Yeah! Èmi ló bá sọ.
And
Kò
then
sí
they look
wàhálà.
around now that they look who they want involved.
I don't see anybody.
Oh, mèmí ládùúgbò yìí.
Èmi.
Tiẹ̀ ti bàjẹ́.
Èmi. Bàbá wájú.
They don't do this thing. They don't do it for 3 hours.
You no go talk to you na your mama.
They never-
Masailu ya kí ló sì yẹ.
Yá tèmi.
Kò sí wàhálà.
Tó ìwà ẹ̀. Wá. Má lọ rò pé ó ga o. Má bẹ̀rẹ̀ jà.
Tó bá bà sórí bó ṣe mí. Ìjà ẹ̀ orí bó ṣe mí tó bá bà.
Wà gbóòrò ẹ̀.
Next thing na.
Gbóòrò ẹ̀.
Mò ń kánjú ni só yẹ kò sí wàhálà.
Okay.
Mọ̀ kan tó ṣẹlẹ̀. Mò ń kánjú ni fún mi nọ́mbà ẹ̀. Masailu ya kí ló ṣe só yẹ.
Tó yẹ pé.
Nọ́mbà mi tálẹ̀ tẹ̀sí mi ò fẹ́ gbọ́rọ̀. Tẹ̀sí.
Àlàyé tó yẹ pé tó yẹ jẹ́. Tó yẹ pé tó yẹ jẹ́ pé mi nǹkan gbé mọ́tò mi wá. Transport mo wọ̀ wá. Wetin concern transport and motor with
Eluko.
Ó yà.
Ó ti tẹ̀sí.
Nọ́mbà mi nìyẹn.
Ṣó ti ń rìn.
Èmi ò ṣọjọ́ jà.
Ṣó ti ń rìn yẹn.
Ó ti rìn.
Ìgbà ọ̀dà máa jà báyìí.
Kí lorúkọ ẹ̀?
Ajele.
Ajele àjẹ́. Ó yà. OpenTeeth lórúkọ tẹ̀.
Mo ti store ẹ̀.
Tó bá ti dọ́jọ́ jà kó pé mi.
Kò sí wàhálà. Àlù ẹ̀ ṣe léṣe. Pè mí o.
That's it. They book the fight. They book the fight for future team. Okay, all right. Ladies and gentlemen, Bemuna, help me appreciate one more time Ajele and OpenTeeth. My correct guys there. All right, quickly. The answer for that particular question, Ajele don't get them already. The palm wine is intoxicating.
Yeah, what up?
Intoxicating. You know, like. Okay, quickly. Before we come on Matt onto the whole thing, we go read out some tweets where people don't send us on top our Twitter handle. Will be at W Late Night Show. Make una stay wrong. Go follow us. Do some kind comments on top our Twitter handle for there. Quickly, Brainbox 101. He sent this tweet. He say at W Late Night Show. He say I love the way at Funny Ogbolo, maybe me. They dance and in funny acts too on top screen. They make TV show. They very lovely. Thank you very much, Brainbox. Now one of our correct follower that guy be on top Twitter. They always make comments every night. All right, at Ben T O. Say W Late Night Show. How una day? DJ Easy Beat. I greet you specially.
I greet you.
Easy Beat.
Too early. Na so.
My problem now is saying a man they greet you specially like this.
Who greet you just now? Who greet you?
See, I like the way they dance.
Brain boss waiting me.
No, we don't know that Brainbox na man have been that woman.
If you not get better.
Hey, understand? But say this Ben guy, I don't know. Easy Beat. You never tell us something. This is your muscle. You never tell us take it.
Yeah.
All right. At Slicky472, he said W Late Night Show. Yesterday's show inspired me to go out and do better. Thank you very much, guys. And I'm the one who do yesterday on to inspiration and motivation. We'll carry my one church inside the studio to come do Young CEO talk. All right. So he sent a message. Thank you very much. At Forever49, say W Late Night Show. At Funny Ogbolo, you guys are just the best. I love your show. Thank you very much. At Divalicious, watching you guys, the show is off the hook. Thank you very much. And we'll get one more. Brainbox again, 101 is sister at Funny Ogbolo at W Late Night Show. Bros, you too much. My sister wants to know if you are married or single. She no let me hear what she watch on her show. Me, you see my finger. Holla at your boy. My brother, you said the market of the ministry. You said the market. All right, so quickly, as one round up on top of the whole thing. Lastly, Ajele, what do you look forward to from you anytime soon?
Well, a whole lot, because I'm a man of idea, and they call me Idea Bank. Okay. But I'm starting my own TV show soon. Myself, I start my own TV show soon. I start my own TV show soon that will be based on talent, strictly talent. But it's going to be all over Africa.
Okay, don't switch enter the English again, Abi. They look at me. Okay. So now what's they look forward to?
Now what's they look
Alright, so before the end of the year, go hear more from you, Mr. Ajele. Basically. All right, OpenTeeth.
Wait till they pay me now.
Yes.
And that's why I want to talk. He talk.
Why do they always talk with you want talk now? Why they worry you, sir? You know, talk another thing. But I talk another thing now. What do you expect from you this year? You said you want to open your own TV show.
No, may you OpenTeeth.
My brother.
Oh, you OpenTeeth already?
My brother, you know what I will talk? You know, say you go come interview like this, say, what do we expect from you? You go another place, you go talk another thing, you go another place, you go talk another thing. No one don't happen. So, my brother, I'm expecting God to answer.
Expecting God to answer the former things.
Why you go pair me with this guy?
My brother, you know, you have to pair, you pair two cranes together.
No,
So,
my own craze here is still this.
Because
the
for like 10
corporate side.
years now, I get what they expect. Some never happen. They don't be like 50 things now.
see they compile the goals.
So anyone when you see, don't
So, my brother, anyone will come this year. Anyone will come. Anybody will win the election, we expect.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I don't enjoy my two guys inside the building, and I know say I enjoy them pieces.ly. Muna just go our Twitter handle will be at W Late Night Show. Muna reach there. Muna just follow us gist on top the whole matter. Muna tell us how I feel the show for today. I hear so we get one funny video for the day just before we bring in our last act. You know, say we always give people the opportunity to come show themselves on top of the show. And this now our segment what we call Show Yourself. Now the segment where they just give opportunity to young actors with the outside there, whether you be comedian, whether you be artist. We'll try create the platform for all of our young people to express themselves because platform not today these days. All right. So before the show just go wrap up, we'll bring in our guys to just come do anything onto the show, and then now tell us whether it pass or be it fail. Still on top Twitter. All right. So we will go do that one sharply. Thank you one more time to Ajele and OpenTeeth will join me on top of the show. Oh, not too much. So easy beats, carry us go enter this one. Will they come back now?